morning dear students, welcome back to our today's class. See, yesterday we have taken the exercise B. Okay, so I hope you all have done all the exercise like 10. Okay, so yesterday we have taken decided sentence given below into the subject and the predicate one is done for you. तो मतलब एक हमको subject दिया गया था और after that we have solved the 9 questions. Okay, so today we can see the exercise B. See, I am reading B exercise. Match the subject with the suitable predicate. See, they have given below the 10 sentences. Okay, they have given below 10 sentences. We have to solve one by one. Okay, see, in two groups it's a A and it's a B. Okay, so there are 10 questions, means 10 words. We have to correctly match their predicate. In the first column, they are written the subject, and other B column is there in a what is a predicate. We have to match the correct one and write it down the answer in the front of the subject one. Okay, so first here is writing of subject and predicate. Okay, what is the first question? It's a Jack's parents, मतलब Jack's के parents, उसका परिवार, Jack's parents. Okay, Jack parents. See, Jack parents. Second is a my school bus. Then the young man, Kenny. Okay, I'm writing down at least 5. My school bus. My school bus. Okay. Third one is the young man. Okay. The young man. What is the fourth one? Fourth one is Kenny. Only Kenny. And what is the fifth one? Fifth one is bees. What is? Oh, sorry. Fifth one is the aeroplane. Okay. Yes, aeroplane. Okay, see, here is a 5 questions, means 5 subject, and we have to choose the correct one and we have to write it down. The correct one is the answer. Okay, so now Jack's parents. What is the Jack's parent? You have to read out what is the predicated is the answer. You just think and what is the actual answer की मतलब उसका main मतलब actual answer क्या है, what is the correctly matching, you have to write it down. मतलब किसके सामने लिखना है हमको, उसके सामने आंसर करना है. Okay, Jack's parents, जब Jack's parents क्या है, have gone to Singapore. Where they are gone? Tell me. It's a, see, the predicate, its answer is H. Have gone to Singapore. Okay, मतलब जैक के पेरेंट्स कहाँ गए थे? सिंगापुर. Okay, next, my school bus. My school bus, you just read out A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and then you know what is the exact batch where you should write it the answer. Obviously, my school bus, what is the answer? D, comes at 8 o'clock. When it's come comes at 8 o'clock. Understood? आ गया समझ में आपको? Okay. The young man. What is the third? It's a young man. What is the answer? You just Read out the in the predicates. What is the answer? The young man. See, it's a J. Took off from. एक second. It's a J. It's a wore a hat. What the young man? It's a wore a hat. What the meanings of wore? पहनना, है ना? पहनना. तो what the young man wore a hat, है ना? उन्होंने क्या पहना है? He wore a hat. Okay. Then Kenny. See, the answer is G. Stood with an umbrella. Stood with an umbrella. Understood? Means he stood at a corner with an umbrella. मतलब वो umbrella लेके कहाँ पे है? खड़ा है. Okay. Next, the aeroplane. See, the aeroplane. Everybody knows the aeroplane is flying very fast. Flies in the sky. You just recall on your mind, okay, and then you have to see what is in the answer in a predicate. Okay, so after the aeroplane took off from the airport. Took off from the airport. Took off from the airport. Understood? Okay. See, took off from the airport. मतलब कहाँ से निकला है वो? एयरपोर्ट से. आया समझ में? Okay. You just write it down on your textbook with the answer. Okay. I give you 5 minutes. Come on, hurry up and see. You have to write it down with a clean handwriting, with a nicely. Okay, come on, write it down. Okay. Have you done? Okay. Then we will see after the Friday. Okay. Okay. We will start with the sixth one. What is the sixth one? Is bees. Bees means madhumakhi. Everybody knows. We have to choose the correct match. Okay. It means a correct predicate. Bees. Bees means are flightless bird. मतलब बहुत तेजी से भागता है वो. Flightless. Bees are flightless. F-L-I. एक सेकंड. F-L-I-G-T-H-L-E-S-S. Flightless. Okay. Birds. B-I-R-D-S. Okay. So means bees are flightless bird. Okay. Next one, Jupiter. 7. What's the Jupiter? Jupiter. Everybody knows Jupiter is a planet. What is the Jupiter? Jupiter is a planet. Obviously, we know at least one word about the Jupiter, so we have to easily know about the answer in the predicates. We have to find easily the answer. See, only Jupiter. It means A. Answer is A. Is the largest planet of the solar system. Is the largest is the largest planet of the solar system. Okay. Next one, 8-1. What is the 8-1? Arctic Ocean. It's a Arctic Ocean. Okay. Everybody knows what's the oceans. Okay. ओशन को क्या बोलते हैं हम? ओशन मीन्स महासागर. सी व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अबाउट द ओशन एंड सीज? सी मतलब जैसे समुद्र, और जो ओशन हो रहता है इट्स अ महासागर. इट्स अ बिग, ओके, इट्स अ ह्यूज ओशन, लेस देन सी. ओके, जो बोलते हैं ना सागर, एक तो सागर जैसे, और उसमें से जो ओशन वो क्या है? महासागर. ओके. अटलांटिक ओशन का क्या आएगा? 8 का सी इज द स्मॉलेस्ट ऑफ ऑल द ओशन. इज द स्मॉलेस्ट मतलब ये जो अटलांटिक ओशन है ये क्या है? इट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट ऑल दोस, मतलब वेयर देयर हैव सो मेनी ओशन बट द अटलांटिक ओशन इज अ smaller than others. Is the smallest of all the oceans. Okay, then penguins. Everyone know what I'm saying? Okay, आपको सबको समझ रहा है कि हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? Okay, 9th one, penguins. Penguins means we have to search in oceans or beach. Okay, or even we have to सी देयर इन लाइक वो बोलते हैं ना बर्फीली जगह पे ज्यादा वो पाए जाते हैं पेंगुइन्स. तो पेंगुइन्स see there is a only small mistake. Actually the reason the answer is B is the collect nectar from the flowers. Okay, means वो फ्लावर से क्या निकालते हैं? नेक्टर. मीन्स वो जो चूसते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज, सो द आंसर इज पेंगुइन इज आर फ्लाइटलेस बर्ड. मतलब वो उड़ते हैं, फ्लाइट्स है ना. फ्लाइट्स मतलब उड़ने वाले पक्षी है वो, ज्यादा नहीं, मतलब ऐसे लाइक. ठीक है. Okay, 12th one is Leela. Okay, Leela. So Leela went to the Disney World last year. When she gone? She gone to last year where it is Disneyland. So Leela, the answer is went to the Disney was last year. Okay. See, now we have to complete the all the 10 questions. Okay, it's B exercises. जो हमने match the subject. These are the subject, but we have to match the perfectly predicated to subject. Okay, so here we have to complete it. So tomorrow we will take the exercise 7. What is that? Add the subject to complete the sentence. Okay, मतलब again same it is in the C exercise they have given a predicates. Again we have to choose is the correct one or perfectly matching the subject. Understood? Okay. Okay dear student, I hope you enjoyed the lecture. Today we will see the exercise C. Okay, take care. Bye bye.